I'm Jeb Butler of the Butler Kahn law firm. If you've been involved in an accident and you'd like a copy of your police report, let us know. We'll get one and we'll send it to you for free. As you probably know, a police report is important for a bunch of different reasons. Behind me on the screen now is the Georgia Uniform Motor Vehicle Accident Report, and it contains a lot of information. Your insurance company is going to want a copy of it. It'll show things like the date of the collision, where it happened, the insurance information for the other driver, a description of what happened, witness identity, witness statement, statements to the other driver, and sometimes a diagram of the collision. So it's important. We can usually get them, but so that we don't overpromise and underdeliver, let me tell you about some limitations. Number one, we can only get them for you in our home state of Georgia. Number two, there are a few law enforcement jurisdictions where these aren't provided online. Usually it's smaller places and more rural areas. But if the law enforcement agency doesn't make them available online, then we can't get them in this way. It takes an open records request, which is sort of a different process and a longer process. And third, these aren't available instantly. Before we can get them, the police officer has to complete the form, he's got to turn it in, and then it's got to get uploaded. So all of that usually takes, say, 3 to 5 business days. All that has to happen before we can get the police report and send it to you. This is not like an automated process. We've got a person here in the office who takes requests, looks at them, gets the report, and then sends them out. So give us a minute for the report to become available and then for us to be able to get it and send it to you. But if you're interested in the form, let us know. Fill out the form that's available through this webpage, and we will get your police report and send it to you.